Hello, cricket lovers. Welcome to. Now the team is ready to fight, waiting for the opponent. Opponent is arriving soon, and he's arrived. His name is Lal Basa 28. I hope this is a good match and will entertain you. So this is a match played in green pitch. Now we are all set, waiting for opponent's input, and he gave. So let's go straight into the toss. Now there you can see the logos of both the teams. It's time for the toss. Opponent calls, and who wins the toss? Lal Basa won the toss, and what we're going to do? And he won the toss and elected to bat first. So this is his 11. Looks a very strong 11 with some good all-rounders. And this is our 11 with only one bowler, who is Rashid Khan. So we have taken Rashid Khan to bowl in the power play. So let's wait for them. And he sent Warner and Kohli to open. Now we're changing our field according to our plan. It's a very usual plan. So it's going to be an interesting battle with left-hander on strike. Umpire says play. Here we go. First ball. Now Rashid Khan runs his run up and Warner is ready. Down the track he goes for a couple. It's a good running between the wicket. Rohit is the fielder and it's a decent throw. Kohli dives and it's a couple only. So it's a good start for the bowlers, not giving any boundaries on the first ball. So again the same line bowled by Rashid. You're going to witness something in this over. So again down the track goes Warner. He misses but punt didn't misses. He stamped Warner. That's out. That is plum. Warner has to depart. That's a great loss for the batting team. Fielding team strikes first. So who will come at number 3? So who is it gonna be? I think it's Muscle the Russell. Yeah, exactly. He came. So it's a very interesting battle against leg spin. Now we know the weakness of Russell against leg spin. Now let's go. Oh, he plays for the leg spin, but that's a brilliant bowling by Flipper. So this is good stuff by bowling side. So what's it gonna be? Next ball. Now Rashid runs his run up. And down the track goes Russell, but it's only a couple. Now like this, only Warner played but didn't able to connect. So Russell somehow able to connect it and goes for a couple. So what's it gonna be the next ball? Same line and length for both right and left handers. That's good stuff by bowling side. Now again down the track, but again able to connect. So only a couple. So this is a very acceptable over for the bowling side. Only 6 runs. So let's see what the last ball will do the damage for batting or the bowling side. So what's gonna be Russell shot down the track again, but that's a 6. That is a colossal hit from Russell the Muscle. So good over has been spoiled by just a one delivery. So this is the beauty of cricket. Now who is going to be the second over? Oh, Russell, he came to bowl. But from the opposite side, Kohli on strike. Looks like the bowling side is setting the field for short ball, but both batsmen are good at short ball. Don't know why this field is. So first ball, Russell coming from around the wicket. So he's running and that is a 6. Beautiful strike. Of course the ball was very poor, but it's a phenomenal strike from Kohli. Asked to be hit and Kohli doesn't have any mind to refuse it. Now Russell needs to come back well. Now let's see what's it gonna be. Oh, that's a beautiful ball. Batsman unable to reach it and that's not a wide as well. That's a great line. Now he needs to maintain it, but will he able to do it? Let's see. And that's a beauty of a ball, man. Beauty. Batsman didn't able to touch it. Kohli needs to play something different shot to overcome that good line. What's it gonna be? Let's see. I'm eagerly waiting for last 3 balls. That's a shot, but not connected well. safely not in the hands of fielder. So it's going to be a last two balls, and it's a very interesting balls because Russell on strike. So Russell versus Russell, which Russell will come out top. Let's see the fifth ball, the most eager ball. Now Russell is coming. That is a beauty. Man, oh man, that is a great shot by Russell. Wow, wow, wow. It's not a bad line at all, but he makes him pay. Now we came to the last ball of the innings. Is it going to be another six or will Russell come back? So let's see. It's going to be a very important delivery of the match. That's up in the air. It's not connected well. That's straight into the hands of Warner. And it's only 25 runs they have managed to score. Well, that's a very decent score, I would say. So let's see how the batting team will gonna chase. So they have decided to bring Warner and Butler to open. Now Trent Bolt has opened the bowling for them. Now they have changing their field right now. They need to take wickets, so they're setting the field aggressive. Wow, what is that? It's a very interesting field. Oh no! As a batsman, you hate to see this, man. It's very hard to see. It's a negative bowling. Oh, that's a wide escaped by Warner. So this is a very, how to say, it's unfair of the game. It's negative, man. So it's very impossible to hit. So let's see, will the batsman able to come out top? Now he cheated the bowler by his footwork. No, the bowler didn't confuse. So this is how a negative bowling can affect you. So what will gonna be a third ball batting? Batsman is waiting. Oh, that's a miss time. Oh, that's a straight into the hands of Warner. Could have done better. He guessed the ball right, but didn't able to time well. That's a poor shot from a good batsman. So who will gonna be? Is it Russell? No, it's King Kohli. So it's an interesting choice over Russell. So let's see. Now Trent Bolt has maintained the same line. Butler on strike. Is it gonna be a reverse swing? Yep, it's a reverse swing, and seems like at 25 is too much to defend with negative bowling, I think. As a batsman, it's very tough to tell how it's gonna be, and let's see if batting team able to win this match. Oh no, it's very pathetic to see. But still now some bowlers are doing this silly trick. So let's see. Now batsman is doing with his footwork. Is it work? No. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's work. It's a wide. So what's it gonna be? I think next ball will gonna be a cutter to deceive the batsman. So let's see. Now he's ready. No, he plays for a reverse swing. Let's see. Oh, it's a cutter. I guessed correct, but the batsman didn't able to guess it well. So let's see a last ball. I think is it a cutter? So let's see. No, he moved to play a reverse swing ball. Oh, he guessed it correct, but I failed to guess it. This is the difficulty of the negative bowling. It's very important and very rare to hit it. So it's a last ball. The bowler, I guess, is trying to bowl a short ball. So the batsman needs to attack it. Will he going to do? I think he's ready to do. Let's see. That's up in the air. Oh man, what a shot. That's a six. Incredible stuff from Butler. This is the only way and this is the only mistake that he does. He should have maintained that negative bowling but didn't. He tried to bowl a short ball and he paid the price. So I think Bumrah. No, it's Stokes. Very interesting choice over Kohli. I think with fast bowler over Kohli is very difficult to hit as a batsman. So let's see. Will he going to bowl another? Negative bowling. So he's changing the field. Looks like he will do the same. Now 17 from 6. It's very difficult for a batsman. Oh man, he guessed it correct. That is a 6. Whoa, what a shot, Kohli. Still the match is alive, guys. Still the match is alive. So it's a first ball 6. Let's see what the next ball will gonna be. Now again a leg stump line with low pace. It's very difficult to hit. What's it gonna be? He plays. Oh, that's a negative bowling. He hits the body. Now, what's it gonna be at next ball? I think he's bowling. I think he's bowling a little lower. So what's it gonna be? Shot. Oh, impossible, man! What a shot! Incredible, incredible, man! This is very, very beautiful shot. I have no words to describe it. Now still the equation is possible. 5 from 3. So he moved to play a cutter ball, but now. Oh, he plays the same shot, but he bowls a different delivery. So 2 from 5. The batsman having his heart on his mouth right now, I guess. What's it gonna be? Will he going for a down the track? He goes, but he misses. Oh no. And last ball, 5 runs. Is it going to be a short ball? No, it's not a short ball. He maintained this last negative bowling. And what's it gonna be? He plays brave, I think. And oh, that's very unlucky. He bowled a reverse swing, just cost them the match.